In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link ManyChat with ConvertKit. We're going to walk through the process step by step. So by the end, your ManyChat account will be talking directly to your ConvertKit account, and you'll be able to automatically send your contacts into your email list. Let's start inside your ConvertKit account. Go ahead and log in. And once you're on your main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that. And from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Settings. When you're in the Settings area, pay attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You might need to scroll down a bit, depending on your screen size, but you're looking for the section labeled Developer. Click on Developer to open your developer settings. In this developer section, you'll see an item called API Secret. This is the key that ManyChat will use to connect securely with your ConvertKit account. It may be hidden or masked at first, so click the Show button to reveal it. Once you can see the full API secret, click the Copy button so that it's saved to your clipboard. Be sure to keep this key private and don't share it with anyone, because it gives access to your account. Now switch over to ManyChat. Log into your ManyChat account, and once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. Find the option labeled Settings, usually represented by a little gear icon, and click on it to open your settings page. Inside the settings area, look again at the left sidebar. You'll see a section called Extensions, and underneath that, one of the options will be Integrations. Click on Integrations to open up the list of tools you can connect with ManyChat. Scroll down through the integrations until you find the one that mentions connecting a Kit account. There, you'll see a field where you can paste your API secret. This is where you'll paste the key you copied earlier from ConvertKit. After you've pasted it in, click the button to connect your Kit account. Once the connection is made, you'll need to tell ManyChat which field contains your user's email address so it can identify the matching contact in ConvertKit. You can choose the standard email field, or if you're using a custom field for emails, you can select that instead. And that's it. Your ManyChat and ConvertKit accounts are now linked and ready to work together.